Hey everyone, my name is Heba and welcome to my channel, and in this video I like to do an unboxing for you guys of this quota bag that I got from Hermes. I already did two unboxings of Hermes. One is the Evelyn 29 and the other one is the Constance 24. Beautiful bags. And I'll link those videos down below if you want to check those out. And I finally got a quota bag. And if you're not familiar, a quota bag is either a Birkin or a Kelly. Sometimes maybe a Constance, but I think the two main bags are Birkins and Kellys. So let me go ahead and unbox it for you guys, and then I'll tell the story because I'm sure y'all want to see the bag. I know I want to see the bag. But here is the box, and you can probably tell the size that it's a big Kelly. It's a 32. I personally like big bags. I know the mini Kellys and the Kelly 25, 28s are very popular, but I'm a big girl. I need a big bag. So this box has a Kelly 32 in it, and let's check out the bag and the color. Let me kind of zoom you out a little bit here so you can get more of a full frame, and sorry if there's things going to be, out of place, but I think the main focus is this bag, at least for me. All right, I hope that's zoomed out enough. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, this box holds a Kelly 32. So let's go ahead and open you up. Let's see if I can do this here. Yeah, woo, I'm excited because I only saw it at the store that one time and I did not come home to reopen it. This will be the second time I'm looking at this bag. Let me take the lid off and let's move the tissue. And there is the dust bag. Oh, just the sound of it. Let me take this out, and you can see that there is a pillow in here so it can rest when it's not in use, and a little booklet. And here's the dust bag. And let me introduce to you to this Kelly 32 in the color Adroise. And I'm hoping I'm saying that right. This is a beautiful, kind of like a blue-gray slate color. And again, this is a Kelly 32, and it's in the Sellier style, which is a little bit more structured. And looking at it again, it's really pretty. I didn't think I would go for this color blue or gray, but she texted me the day after Christmas and she asked, what do I think about this color Adroise? So I did some searching, and there was only a couple videos that showed this color bag, and they were both in the Birkins. I believe a Birkin 30 and a shoulder Birkin. I didn't see it in the Kelly. Oh my gosh, I just got the whiff of the leather and it smells so good. But anywho, back to the story. So I did some searching online, and about this color is that Hermes introduced it in the early 2000s, like 2008, 2009. And the name Adroise in French means slate, like the stone slate with that blue-gray tile that you can find, in landscaping or in roofs. And mainly in the roofs in Paris with the slate roofs, the beautiful color roofs there. And several years later, they stopped making bags in this color, and people were kind of like wondering why, because it was a very popular color back then. So in 2025, they reintroduced this color Adroise. Please forgive me if I'm not saying it right, but in 2025, they reintroduced this color into bags, and now I have one of them in a Kelly 32 in Sellier. So let me get back to the story here. So I did some research about this color, and I texted her and I said, yes, I would love to get this bag in this color. So I'm filming this before New Year's, and this video will probably be up, well into 2026 in January. So I went to the Hermes boutique in Dallas, and I picked this beautiful bag up, and I can't believe that I have an Hermes Kelly. I didn't even open it in the store. I just looked at it and held it and said, yeah, this is my bag. So let's go ahead and open it because I want to see what's inside. But let me show you the outside first. This is the classic Kelly style. It does have one handle and it has two rings because it does come with the strap. And then let me show you what the back looks like. And it's also an Epsom leather. Epsom leather has the embossed, and I hope you can see the texture. And hopefully you can see more of the color as well. But it really is such a beautiful blue slate color. I am kind of nervous here of opening it up for the first time because, like I said, I did not open this in the store. Let me just put it down here because I don't want to scratch anything up. It does have the plastic over the hardware. Oh, and the hardware is in gold, as you can see. So I believe these are called the singles. So I got one side out, and here's the other side. Let me make sure I'm in the frame here. And this is just the felt to protect it. All right, let me take this off, and here's what the inside looks like. This is really beautiful color. Let me just kind of stretch it open. It is, again, Sellier, so it is a little bit stiff. There's another style of the Kelly, and it's the retorn style. It's a little bit more relaxed. Here you can see, again, that it's more structured, and you can see the seams here. So hopefully it will hold its shape for years to come, I'm hoping. But let's look inside, because there's some other things inside that I did not see in the store. So we have two other dust bags. This one is the strap, and this one is the lock key and clochette. And let's open this one up first. So here is the lock key and the clochette, and it's also in this beautiful blue slate color Adroise. So here's the lock, and here are the two keys in here. Let me try to get it in there all in gold. There you go, there's the two keys. Hope you can see that. And here's the lock with the H there. Now I know some people like to hang it on the handle, but I'll probably not do that because I don't want it to scratch the leather. So I'll probably just put it back in the dust bag. And let's see the strap. And I love the Kelly because it has a strap. Oh, and it has that beautiful smell as well. All right, so here is the strap. And then let me show you the hooks, also in gold. And it has the plastic covering as well. Let me go ahead and take that off. Very satisfying. I know it probably loses some value with that, but I am using this bag. I'm not selling it. Got them both off, and let me just hook it onto one of the D-rings here, the one on the outside. So here it is with the strap, and looking in the viewfinder, this is such a beautiful color. It almost has, you know, a black undertone as well. Never thought in my life that I'll earn an Hermes bag, because I'm more of a Louis Vuitton bag. I've been collecting them for, gosh, 30 years? Maybe more than that. 35, 40 years, yeah. And I have a total of maybe 12 to 15 bags from Louis Vuitton. And what got me into Hermes, I'm sure you've heard this story before, but when Louis Vuitton came out with their new makeup, excuse me, their new makeup line, and the 4-pan eyeshadows cost $250, that just kind of, I don't know, I just felt disgusted about it. I know Hermes has their 4-pan palette, and that's $112 or $114. That's expensive as well, but $250 for 4 eyeshadows, that just kind of turned me off. So I thought, let me find another brand of bags that I may like. I may get some hate for this, but I'm not a lover of the Chanel bags or the Dior bags or YSL, and I'm sure that there are other high-end brands out there, but those are the ones that kind of jump out at me. So at the same time, Hermes came out with their new eyeshadow palette. So when I went to the store to pick it up, I saw some of the bags that they had on display. I saw the Constance bag, and that's the one that I put my name on. But they also had a bag for sale that day, and that one was the Evelyn 29. And again, I did that unboxing, and that's such a beautiful, kind of a casual crossbody bag. Very pretty. And then the next month or two, I got the call that my Constance 24 in Rouge H was there. So I picked that one up, and I did the unboxing for that. And then I got a text for this Kelly 32. I also have the Birkin 35 on my wish list, and that one was first on my wish list, but I guess they didn't have it. So she went to the next one down, and a Kelly 32 in this color Adroise. I pretty much didn't have a specific color in the Kelly bags. I wanted something dark. I wanted something classy. I didn't want anything bright. No pinks, no yellows, or anything like that. I wouldn't mind a green one or an orange, you know, the Hermes orange, or blacks. Wasn't too keen on the browns, because in the Birkin, that's the color I want in the Birkin. So when she told me about this color and did some research, and especially in the Kelly, yeah, this one's really pretty. So hopefully I'll put some videos of how it looks up close in different lighting and how I'm wearing it. But let me just see if I could do it right now. I wonder if you could see me here. If not, I'll just, you know, kind of edit it out. But this is what it looks like on the crook of my arm. And let's see how this will work on my shoulder. I hope you can see it there. But yeah, that pretty much hides my butt, which I kind of like. And this is such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh. I don't think it'll work much for a crossbody. I think the handle's just gonna kind of hit my boob. Yeah, this is, I hope you can see it there. I hope I can get it in the frame. You know, I've got this bed right here. But if that angle didn't work, I'll figure something out with editing and kind of insert it differently there. But yeah, I have to admit, this is such a beautiful bag. I didn't think I'd I'd get a Kelly. I wanted to get a twilly for this bag, one of those little scarves to put on the handle to kind of protect the handle. But since it was after Christmas, their stock was kind of low. I figured I can wait until, you know, another month or two since till they replenish. Oh, and I can see on the strap it also says Hermes. I know I have it upside down. And it also has Hermes right there in gold, the same as the hardware. Oh, let me look inside. It does have, oh, it does have a zipper. It does have a zipper and 2 slot pockets there. I hope you can see that. Let me show you the zipper so you can see the 2 slots there. I hope you can. Oh my God, the scent of the Hermes leather. It's so nice. Here's my Kelly 32 in Epsom leather, Sellier style with gold hardware in the color Adroise. And again, I hope I'm saying that right. Since I did get this bag in December of 2025, in 2026, if I want to, I can also kind of have a wish list for 2 more quota bags. So I know a Birkin 35 in the browns is my wish list, so I do hope I can get one of those. But I wouldn't mind another Kelly, maybe a Kelly 28, something smaller, but nothing smaller than that. And I'm also looking at the secondhand market because there's some other bags that, you know, some vintage bags that I'm kind of looking at. Of course, the one that I really wanted sold right before I made this video. It was another Kelly 32 and it was in ostrich leather. I believe that one came from Japan, which is fine because I'm sure that there'll be others. But looking in the secondhand market, that's not bad either because you can find some really beautiful vintage bags. Just like the one that I got, and I'll be doing an unboxing of that when I get it. It's the Hermes Drag. I can't wait to get that, and hopefully everything's good because that's the first time I bought something in the pre-loved market. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my new Hermes Kelly 32 in the color Adroise Sellier style with gold hardware. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Hopefully more bags unboxing, especially of the vintage one that I'm getting, and also with beauty and lifestyle. And again, thank you so much for watching, and you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.